here at Imperial Lamian, and I will be competing today in the second annual Down the Dumpling. So last year, the champion consumed 31 dumplings in 2 minutes, and he is competing again today to defend his title. I myself am the only female, and I'm going to be competing against 6 other guys. We're getting ready.
From Southern California, coming to Imperial Lamian since last year, we have Sandy Win. Give it up for Sandy, everybody. Give it up for Sandy. I'm voting for her. I'm putting my money on her. I'm telling you right now. I talked to her before, guys. I'm telling you, don't play. All right. Our next contestant is a familiar face to the Imperial Lamian family. He was actually one of the original managers of the property. Actually was a manager of the property beforehand, so he's been here longer than all of us. From Mexico City, we got Pepe Guzman.
We're gonna need some time for some dumplings, right?
And last, but definitely not least, we have our returning champion, ladies and gentlemen. He has come back to defend his crown. He's not kidding around. He comes in from time to time to train. All right, he takes this very, very seriously. All right, my man is out of Port Washington, Wisconsin. All right, he is the Sultan of Soup Dumplings, the Duke of Shaolin Bao. Everybody, give it up for Matt Kent. Yeah. All right, everybody, the rules are pretty simple. Everybody that you see up here is gonna get 2 minutes to down as many soup dumplings as they possibly can. All right? I believe our standard record is
31.
31 is our standing record. All right? So we could see some history this year, folks. We could see some history. All right? Our official timer is our owner and managing partner, Mr. Vincent Lawrence. Everybody give it up for Vince. He's paying for the soup dumplings, y'all. Give it up for Vince. Give it up for Vince.
I'm gonna do a countdown in 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, we got some fierce competition going, fellas. We got some fierce competition. Oh my God, Sandy is through the first basket, ladies and gentlemen. She is through the first basket. Pepe is down 2 baskets, ladies and gentlemen. 2 baskets are down. Sandy's right behind him. The champ is through his second basket. This is intense, folks. This is intense. Pepe is down to his last basket of soup dumplings. We're going to need to get him on another basket. Who's ready? Danilo's on the basket.
You got it, come on.
Keep it going, guys. Keep it going, guys. Keep it going, guys. Pepe is through the first stack, folks. Hey, let's encourage him on, folks. Give him a hand. Let's encourage him on. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Sandy's on her last basket as well.
Yeah, girl.
Got them.
Keep it going, guys. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Keep going.
1 minute.
1 minute to go, folks. Let them hear it. Let them hear it. Let them hear it. 1 minute to go. This is serious business, folks.
In your sleep.
This is serious business. It's getting dirty over here.
Come on, get them.
Sandy is through her stack. Pepe's calling for more dumplings.
People are determined.
They are determined.
Yes, very much.
I don't think this is anyone's first soup dumpling, folks. I don't think this is anyone's first soup dumplings. We got Cubs tickets on the line, baby. Who loves the Chicago Cubs?
Come on, guys.
Who loves the Cubs? We got Cubs tickets on the line.
Go. 15 seconds.
15 seconds, folks. Let them hear it. Let them hear it. 15 seconds.
10 seconds. 8,
7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. Put the dumplings down. Our third place finisher, last year's defending champion, with 20 dumplings eaten. We've got Matt Kent. Nice one, Matt. Nice one. Please don't stop coming in your dumplings. Please don't stop. Guys, in second place, this was fierce. This was really, really kind of intense. I've never seen anything quite this like this young lady. eating soup dumplings. This was really awesome. She really made this memorable for us. In second place, with a whopping 31 dumplings eating, tying last year's record, we got Sandy Lynn. And guys, our first place competitor is very familiar to us, part of the family, always here in Imperial Lamian. You have cemented your name in the history books with this win today. Also breaking last year's record with 34 soup dumplings eaten. It was tight. Pepe Guzman.
Thank you to everybody who put together Down the Dumpling competition. Thank you for letting me be a competitor today. Unfortunately, I didn't win. I did get second place though, and I did consume as much as the winner last year did. So pretty proud of myself considering it's only female. But next year, wash yourself, Pepe.